Salam sejahtera, I'm Deputy Master CD170042. So today I will give an explanation regarding my part for the introduction of C programming. C++ is a language of general purpose, object-oriented programming developed by Björn Strostrup and an extension of the programming language C. Other than that, he developed a common language that can be used in operating system, web browser, microcontrollers, video games, and elsewhere. C++ was originally called as with classes. Also has many operators including contrast, arithmetic, bit manipulation, and logical operators. C++ also has some of the basic concepts including polymorphism, functions of virtual and maths, templates, namescape, and pointer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and good evening, Doctor. I'm Noliza binti Junaidi, matrix number CD170192. Thank you for your time to watch this video. So, today I will give an explanation regarding the literature review in our experiment, which is L bracket. So, there are a few comparisons, which is application development area, compatibility with each other, third variable. For selected machine, we choose CNC machine YA-CNC2500. This machine is very significant for our manufacturing process because we're going to run to different process, which is drilling and milling. There are three types of selected process. Firstly is drilling process, second is milling process, and last sheet metal bending process. That's all for me. Thank you, Doctor.
Hello and good evening to our beloved lecturer, Dr. Ho Fu Ho and fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Nabi Hanis bin Ahmad Sabri. I am from Group 6D. Today I would like to present about our group project. Our selected item is L bracket. Okay. First, before we make a product, we must make a design. We use a CATIA Fire software to do a design. Firstly, we must cut and shape the plate, then do a hole on it. The product length is 400 mm, the width is 163 mm, and the height is 73 mm. The big hole diameter is 16 mm, while the small hole is 10 mm. Then we apply an aluminium material, as you can see this, into the product because it is easy to bend. This is our full product view. As you can see, there is top view, front view, and side view. The scale is 1/4. Okay, next we go to analysis. From our analysis, there is 5 main calculation, which is shear stress. Okay, the formula for shear stress is force over area. The unit is Newton per meter square. Okay, second, cutting speed, we see pi times the drill diameter DC times main axis divided by 1000. The unit is meter per minute. Third is feed speed VF, FR times main axis. The unit is millimeter per minute, and the drilling time is hole deep times number of hole divided by main axis time feet per revolution. The unit is minute, and the last is rotational speed. The formula is 1000 times cutting speed over main axis times the diameter, and the unit is RPM. Okay, that's all for design and analysis.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Naim Bizari. Today, I will explain about the type of raw materials. The material that we have selected is aluminium. Aluminium is a metallic element with quite diverse uses, spreading across many products and industry. While some of its uses are obvious, others might not be so well known. Next, the industry made particular use of aluminium due largely to the element versatility. It can be cut, bonded, welded, and molded. That is why we choose the aluminium as a raw material for our product. In addition, and it is a lightweight and relatively inexpensive option, aluminium can be found in practically every element of industry. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. And today I will describe about the flowchart. Present about the flowchart. Okay, first we have start. We start the program, and then we continue to production process, which is we select the type of material, which is aluminium, and their dimensions of materials, their length 100 mm, their wide 100 mm, and the thickness 3 mm. And then we display two type of dimensions, whether A is 100 mm times 80 mm, and B 90 mm times 70 mm. we choose we choose A. They will cut, go to shearing process and cut to length, to their length. If I choose A, their length we cut from length 10 mm and wide 30 mm. If we choose B, their shearing aluminium length is 0 mm and wide 20 mm. After that, we go to drill holes. We have two options, A or B. When we choose A, the drilling aluminum holes equal to 6 and the diameter is 5 mm. When we choose B, the drilling aluminum hole is 8 and the diameter drillings about 2.5 millimeter. Okay, after that we go to cutting process, which is two options, A or B. A, cut length, cutter length about 35 mm, and the cutter angles about 45 degree. While option B, their cutter length about 30 mm and the cutter angles is 45 degree. Okay, when we choose A, we enter the site, which is has 4 sides, and then the display come out. Site 1 has been cut, site 2 has been cut until site 4, and then we move to the next rectangular 2. Okay, which is we have two options on bending process. Option A is their length is 30 mm and the angle 90 degree. Option B, the length is 20 mm and the angle also 90 degree. Okay, when we choose A, we go to the next, and the aluminum has been bent. When we choose B, the bending aluminum length is 20 mm and the angle also 90 degree. After finish the bendings, the output is their size of box for two size products is 105 times 85. Then step 1, put the product into the box. Step 2, put inflatable bubble wrap. And lastly, product is ready to sell. Okay, that's all, and finally ends. Thank you.
Salam sejahtera. My name is Fatin Shahira binti Nur Rashidi with metric number AD170315. So I will conclude the conclusion about the entire of the project. So based on this project, as we are finishing our C++ programming language trip, we feel like we just have started to explain C++ during to its variety of features. So through the entire of this group project, C++ is a complex software including to overcome problems with itself and C while lacking sophisticated mechanisms such as our topic and project, which is drilling and mining machine operation. In addition, many of these problems are dealt with in implied and explicit manner, but are lost in C++. Last but not least, we found that subtle errors can be introduced into C++ software in many ways. However, the combination of this causes further problems. That's all from me for the conclusion of the project. Thank you.